I think this one is more than 200 years old. And you know it's a parasite. It starts to grow on another tree, and it's from the tree and it's still the place. Parasite.
You're not allowed to chop these down though, are you?
Sowia. I've just said, otherwise just said shortly Sowia. You will understand. Yes, Sowia. Or Toko. Yeah, Toko. Yeah, Toko.
Toko with a C or a T?
Yeah. T. Toko. T-O-K-O. Toko.
Amazing. Yeah. I think you can use your swimsuit, Morgan, whenever you want. I'm pretty sure. Want to come with me? Yeah. So this is where we came from. This is the changing room where Morgan came from. We walked down there where they're eating tropical fruit on a platter, of course. This is where Morgan was just about to jump off the rock. Here's a little side cascade. The sun, the trees, the deep pool, and the beautiful cascade. Okay. It's so beautiful. And this tree is where I stored my camera for the hike up the river.